From rethinking agriculture to connecting blockchain networks like never before, today's updates are a must-know. AgriDAO is transforming how we value crops, and Omnity's leap onto Bitfinity is setting the stage for greater connectivity. Plus, internet computer hubs are sparking creativity worldwide. Let's get started. Imagine a world where food waste is almost non-existent and every crop a valuable asset. That's the vision of AgriDAO, launched on 23rd October 2023. This decentralized platform is built on ICP and focuses on freeze-drying crops at their source, turning them into real-world assets or RWAs. Sounds futuristic, right? Here is how it works. AgriDAO uses Agri Protocol, which is a decentralized data management system to ensure transparency. It integrates tools like AgriPrice to streamline operations and bridge market data gaps. Their plan includes opening a freeze-dry facility in South Africa by 2025 and rolling out supply chain transparency tools. The mission is to empower communities, reduce waste, and leverage Africa's agricultural potential. With 60% of the world's uncultivated arable land, Africa is set to play a major role in global food security. By freeze-drying crops at the source, AgriDAO not only preserves nutritional value, but also creates stable RWAs for both local and global markets. This initiative responds to the growing challenges of global food demand, which is expected to rise by 60% by 2050. By reducing waste and introducing economic opportunities through decentralized tools, AgriDAO aims to address the global food crisis. They believe food is not a weapon, and their decentralized governance model ensures agricultural resources empower communities rather than create dependency. DAO is about transforming how we store and distribute food, building a sustainable future. By focusing on Africa's agricultural potential, AgriDAO looks to create an inclusive, transparent food system that benefits everyone from local farmers to global consumers. Now, let's shift gears to blockchain interoperability. The Omnity network recently integrated with the Bitfinity mainnet, enabling seamless asset movement between ICP and other networks. What's exciting here? Users can now bridge Bitcoin-related assets like Runes and BRC20 tokens to ICP. For the ICP and ordinals world, this is a game changer. Cross-chain solutions have often been clunky, which is slow, expensive, and confusing. But with Bitfinity's high-performance infrastructure, Omnity makes bridging assets straightforward and secure. This integration also unlocks new opportunities for developers. Bitcoin, often seen as just a store of value, now plays a more dynamic role in decentralized applications. Developers can leverage this to build innovative projects, expanding what's possible in DeFi and beyond. What does this mean for users? Simplicity and accessibility. Complex cross-chain mechanics are streamlined, making decentralized finance more inclusive. It's a step closer to a connected blockchain future. Let's talk about the ICP Hubs network, which is a vibrant initiative that spans 34 countries with over 140,000 developers. Supported by a $200 million funding pool, these hubs are the backbone of ICP's innovation. In 2024 alone, they distributed 100 grants and onboarded 1,500 developers. The numbers are impressive. Weekly project launches, 9,000 GitHub commits, and global leadership in decentralized governance activity. But it's not just about numbers, it's about impact. These hubs host hackathons, workshops, and educational programs, fostering talent and driving real-world solutions. Take Africa. For example, from Kenya's DekaHack initiative to inter-university hackathons in Ghana, ICP is empowering youth and advancing Web3 education. In Europe, hubs like those in Portugal and Bulgaria are merging blockchain with AI. Meanwhile, Latin America and Asia-Pacific regions are innovating in cybersecurity, blockchain education, and decentralized applications. The ICP Hubs network is more than a collection of projects, it's a collaborative movement shaping the future of Web3. Finally, let's highlight CanI, which is a platform revolutionizing the creator economy. Built on ICP, CanI ensures artists and digital creators retain full ownership of their work. No middlemen, no algorithmic control, just direct fan engagement and fair monetization. CanI's suite of tools is designed to make life easier for creators. Safe, it's a secure wallet for managing creative assets and revenue. CanI Store is a marketplace for selling downloads, merchandise, and more. CanI Play, it's a community-driven broadcast station where fans vote on content and creators earn more. The story behind CanI is just as inspiring. The founder, a former musician and artist manager, turned their frustrations with traditional platforms into a visionary solution. Introduced to ICP during the Dfinity Tungsten event in 2020, they realized blockchain's potential for revolutionizing copyright protection and creative asset management. Today, CanI is one of the early adopters of ICP, setting a new standard for decentralization in the creator economy. It's a shining example of how blockchain can drive meaningful change. From agriculture to interoperability, decentralized hubs to the creator economy, ICP-powered projects are tackling challenges head-on and opening doors to new possibilities. AgriDAO, Omnity Network, the ICP hubs, and CanI aren't just ideas. They are action plans for a better, more connected world. Which project resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.